Welcome to a new video.
What an amazing day. Today I have leave from office, and I will enjoy the whole day freely, and I have a plan to go to the beach side today. Oh no! Who has done it there in the middle of the road? Jeep, hurry up, we have to get out fast. Oh no, my Jeep is going deep in the soil. Now we are fully stuck in it. Please help me.
Oh no, what's this?
Oh my God, what happened with you? Your condition is so bad and serious situation.
Please help us.
I am doing my best. Cooperate with me.
We will also try our best.
Oops, it's so difficult task.
Thanks for helping me.
It's okay. Now your turn, be ready.
I am ready. Let's do it.
Oops, it's so difficult we have to use our full power and together.
Got it. I was thinking that it will be easy, but it's not easy and real.
Now we have to fix the road also.
There I am to fix it. All the children's watching this video can help me by subscribing the channel and like the video.
Do your job. I promise to you that all the viewers will also subscribe to channel.
Okay, I was just worried about that. I don't want the cute childs miss out on more videos.
Hurry up. We have to go fast. This is a single holiday of the week and we are wasting time there.
We have to build it completely and safely so that this situation will not be possible in future anymore. Almost done.
Let us check it out. It's not perfect, but now it's better than the previous situation. At this moment, we don't want to waste time anymore.